In this video, I'll guide you through how to make your Substack private. If you want more control over who can read your posts, or you're not ready to share your writing publicly yet, turning on private mode is a simple way to limit access. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to substack.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser. If you're not already signed in, log into the account that's connected to the publication you want to make private. Give the page a moment to load, and once you're in, you should see your Substack dashboard or home screen. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options for your publication. In that menu, find the option labeled Settings. It's usually listed alongside things like posts, stats, or subscribers. Click on Settings to open the main configuration area for your publication. The Settings page is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes details, so it can look a little busy at first. Don't worry, we're only focusing on one section. Start scrolling down the Settings page slowly until you see a section related to privacy. This might be labeled Privacy, Publication Privacy, or something very similar, depending on any layout updates Substack may have made. Take your time scrolling so you don't miss it. Once you've found the Privacy section, you'll see an option to enable private mode. This is the setting that controls whether your Substack is open to the public or restricted. When your publication is public, anyone can visit your site and read your posts. When it's private, people generally need to be approved or invited before they can access your content. This is especially useful if you're writing for a small group, testing ideas, or just not ready to go fully public. Look for a toggle switch, checkbox, or button labeled something like private mode. Click on that option to turn it on. When you enable private mode, the control should visually change to show that it's now active. If you don't see the change right away, wait a second for the page to update. After you enable private mode, Substack may show you a confirmation prompt or a small pop-up asking you to confirm that you really want to make your publication private. This is just to make sure you understand that your content won't be publicly accessible anymore. When that prompt appears, click OK to confirm your choice. Once you've clicked OK, your Substack should now be set to private. If you'd like, you can refresh the page or navigate back to your main publication view to make sure everything looks right. From this point on, your posts won't be openly available to everyone on the internet, and you'll have more control over who reads your work. That's all you need to do to make your Substack private. You can always come back to the same settings and privacy area later if you decide to switch back to a public publication.